0 point. So back to the point before, I started designing and developing back in '98 in high school. When I first learned that you could right-click on a web browser and view source, I just really wanted to know what all that code was. So that's where I started, and then it became one. So 20 years with Adobe Photoshop, rest in peace. Who would have thought a program that was never designed to be used for web design lasted that long? And this is a real introduction to my DesignOps journey. I was working in agency, spent about a full day designing a website at 2 times the size to cater for mobile retina resolution. Whole day designing the web screens at 640 pixels, handed off to my developer. Next day I walked past the screen, what are you doing? I'm halving all your specs. So I spent a day doubling all of those specs. Yeah, well, I'm now spending a day halving it all. Right, well, let's fix this. That's what I learned about, you know, at one point in time, it was good to do something, and then it's not always the way. So that's the journey on how I got into DesignOps and discovered the term. And realized that it can be your friend. So DesignOps is designing experiences for our creative friends to be creative. And I call creatives designers and developers. We're both creatives. This is talking about, for example, I just went on a week's holiday. I came back and had 345 emails in my inbox. I'm a designer. I don't want 345 emails. 2 of those emails were for me. One was actionable, and the other one was just good to know. So you don't want that as a creative. So DesignOps is about taking away that aspect and letting designers and developers do what they do, not worry about the operations. So this is a nice quote from a LinkedIn DesignOps manager. If designers are spending more than 50% of their time doing operational work, then that's a problem. And I've been in situations where this is the case. The other Monday morning when I had to go through 345 emails. So to me, DesignOps is about 4 pillars. This is my own thoughts around people, tools, workflow, and operations. So that's about getting the right people together, making sure they've got the right tools for the job, coming up with efficiencies in workflow, and then overall having that design management, that design operations above them to make sure they can do what they do best. So design is a business function. Today we're reading more and more about design-driven companies, design-driven this, and yet we see 3 designers and to a ratio of 30 developers. So you've got the C-suite really talking about how incredible design is and what it can be as a function for the business, but then they're not prepared to put the effort in the actual design team and the design org. So now we are seeing some companies do that and agencies do that, and they're getting great benefits, they're reaping the rewards. Yeah, so that's DesignOps in a 5-minute nutshell. I run a DesignOps meetup with Adam over here as a developer. So yeah, we run a DesignOps meetup. Check out our website, designops.lol. .com was taken. So, we have a bunch of cool talks on there. And a bunch of resources, and if you want to know any more, then yeah, come and chat afterwards. Thank you very much.